What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen. All right, family and friends. So let me start off by wishing you the warmest holiday greetings ever. Now, today I will be doing for you baked mac and cheese the whimsical way. So stay tuned, family and friends. Watch the video to the end. Of course, help my channel by dropping your comment, like the video, share it with your friends, encourage them to subscribe. And if you're watching and haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. As you can see, my whimsical family, I've allowed it some water to come to boil. I've added to that some blended season, some powdered season, salt to taste, guys. And then I've added my macaroni and allowed to cook. So I'm using 1500 grams of large elbow macaroni. After cook, I place this into a mixing bowl, guys, and I use the same pot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna move straight to make a roux in the same pot. I've added some butter and blended season. I'm gonna add to that some flour, stir it into cook, and then add to that some evaporated milk. You can use heavy cream. I then add a cup of water to that, and then add about a pound and a half of cheese. I stir this well, guys, and then add some bell pepper and tomatoes. Guys, it's up to you if you want to use the bell pepper and tomato. I just love it in my mac and cheese, but it's up to you. After that is done, guys, I stir this into my macaroni, and then, guys, I move to make a second cheese sauce. I am using cream cheese. I added to that, guys, a cup of cheese, and guys, I stir this again until my cheese is well melted. I'm going to pour this also over the macaroni and the cheese sauce. Stir this all in because, guys, I want to get nice and creamy. To a well-coated baking dish, I will spoon in my mac and cheese, guys, and I will create a layer to the bottom. Onto that, guys, I am going to layer on a quarter cup of cheese. I'm gonna add to that another layer of mac and cheese, and then, guys, I'm gonna top this off with mozzarella and provolone cheese. Now, guys, if only you could smell all of this goodness. Now, guys, the cheese of choice is up to you. It doesn't matter to me. I just love a nice creamy rich mac and cheese. So when you bake it, guys, and you bite into it, you taste that cheesy delicious goodness in your mac and cheese. I then bake it for about 10 minutes and then boil for 5 minutes. Now, while that is baking, I'll share with you the food for thought. The psalmist reminds us that we are to give thanks unto the Lord because he is good and his mercies endure it forever. Now, people, there is so much in this season that we should give God thanks for. Whether great or small, or blessings that we enjoy, we ought to be thankful for them. Heartiest congratulations and birthday greetings for those of us who are celebrating birthday and anniversary. Know that William sees, loves, and appreciates you. And if ever you want me to send special birthday greeting or anniversary to you, please drop it in my comment section and I certainly will do that for you. All right, guys, so the mac and cheese is all done. Just look at this mouth-watering, eye-catching, wonderful goodness. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. And I'll see you next week. Love, 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 mwah, love you. I'll see you next week. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe and turn on your notification for weekly posts.